Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 BMW M340i. So this we just acquired in on trade at Quirk Volkswagen in Manchester, New Hampshire. So I'm gonna go ahead do kind of like a pre-owned spotlight to show you guys what we get in sometimes and yeah, kind of highlight this vehicle. This is absolutely amazing. This has a 3-liter inline 6 that's turbocharged under the hood, pushing just about 400 horsepower and a similar number for pound-feet of torque. For 2020, the BMW 3 Series was refreshed. They first started with the 330i, which has a turbocharged 4-cylinder under the hood. The M340i has the turbocharged 6-cylinder. Beautiful interior in these. They definitely stepped up the game with the interior in this generation. With this key, you have the nice M Performance stripes. Really, really nice key. I like it a lot. You do have M340 on the kick plate here, and this one comes with the all-weather mats. Once inside, it is very, very nice in here. Seats are all adjustable. You have adjustable leg bolsters. You have all your different modes. Sport, Sport Plus. I'm going to keep it in Sport Plus for this drive, as well as manual mode. You do have paddles behind the wheel. There we go. And I turned on the sports displays. This specific car has just over 5,000 miles, 5130 to be exact. So it's essentially brand new. Alright, so as you can hear, in sport mode, the exhaust opens up and you get some crackles once you let off the throttle. If you don't like that, you can just put it into comfort mode and it shuts it off. So that's a really nice feature. It adds a great amount of performance feel to this sedan. As you can tell, it has a really nice pull to it. Very nice. Tons of torque, tons of passing power. It's more than you would ever need. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for future content, and have a great day.